Hello, and welcome to the Adventures of Jono. Today, we're at the Korean Folk Village, one of Korea's most underrated attractions. We're going to check out the parade, watch traditional Korean craftsmen ply their trade, enjoy our share of delicious drink, food, and snack, and take advantage of the extended holiday hours and the scenic night views before capping it off with Yeonbun, their special LED light performance. Splendid time is guaranteed for all, so why don't you join me on this adventure? Hello everyone, happy Thanksgiving. We're celebrating Korean Chuseok at the Korean Folk Village today. Come along, we're gonna have a great time. Show you what they got. Let's go. Let's go. So this looks like it's a kind of crafters row. They've got all kinds of little workshops and whatnot on this street. Let's go check out some Korean traditional crafts. Master Lee is not at his station today. It's a little hot. All right, the Craftsman Row is pretty cool. Let's go check out some old houses. Commoner's house. It's a little bit like a labyrinth over here. Pretty small living spaces. I think it's time to get out of the heat and go get some refreshing tea. You can smell it. It smells delicious. Very cool. Okay.
That's right. They have something summery.
Not bad. $5 or so for some Korean teas. 감사합니다. The shike is a kind of a rice kind of drink. It's kind of a sugary rice water. Very traditional. This is so good. It's so refreshing. can't believe this is like $3.50 US. Excellent. Well, that was an amazing place to hang out for an hour and get a rest, but now it is time to move on. Oh my goodness! He's a Korean joker. Nice. Happy Chuseok. Oh no! Don't do it! Don't do it! Oh my goodness! Oh! The plan was to get a vase full of makgeolli, but they had these makgeolli slushies, and so on a hot day, this is the winner. Let's go. It's strong.
It is?
Yeah, this is, tastes like makgeolli. Got ourselves a little changto gukbap. Marketplace beef and rice soup. Got the rice underneath, so you get this nice soft soaked rice. It's pretty good, and for 10,000 Korean won, so like $7, you can't beat that. Great value, tastes pretty good, healthy. It's nice. The wife always enjoys a good souvenir shop, and I do too. Some fun Halloween-y kind of postcards, about $1 each. Nothing special there. I wouldn't do your souvenir shopping there. So it looks like these are different kinds of houses on some of the islands south of the Korean Peninsula. You know, that looks kind of tasty. I could go for some corn right now, I think. We were looking for something to eat for dessert. This is a Jindo Island kind of house. These Jindo dogs from Jindo Island. Jindo is famous for their black rice. This is an old kitchen. And it looks like over here we have some houses that are from Jeju Island, the famous island on the south. It's really nice and peaceful out here after it rains. The music is really nice. It's just kind of a stroll along these little island huts. Time for a dessert. We've been looking all over
for a hodok. A hodok is like a little Korean pancake stuffed with some stuff. This is stuffed with red beans and topped with vanilla ice cream. It cost 5,000 Korean won, about $3.50. Let's check it out.
Cinnamon.
Definitely a good cinnamony. The red bean, the pancake is warm. Nice vanilla ice cream on top.
I would say hot brownie with vanilla ice cream.
If you like hot brownies, like hot fudge brownies with ice cream on top, this is like a Korean version of that. This is excellent. Sir, we love your house. This place is great. Thank you.
Hi guys, I'm best handsome guy in 민속촌. Hi.
Yeah, woohoo! I'm so satisfied right now. That was some good dessert. Big recommend, 5 out of 5. It was excellent. What a day. Totally underrated tourist attraction in Seoul. I think we paid like 15 bucks to get in here, spent all day, and it was super fantastic. The shows were super, super great. It was a super fantastic day.
It was awesome.
Thank you for watching. See you on the next adventure. Happy Chuseok!
Happy Chuseok, everybody. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.